Anyway, come here, Kieran. Oh, there he is. And no, we're not going for a ride. No, it's too icky. We might walk later. Might walk on the dike today. Kind of muddy. And here's looking down the road in the front of the house. The abandoned trailer. And see some of the older houses. And there's the stupid hole. They made a muddy mess of our street. I'm not sure it was paved. Anyway, that's looking down the street. And there's the front side or the other side of the trailer. And the neighbor. And Kieran, patiently waiting for Mama. He's a good boy. Uh-oh, we better go. He sees his buddy. Come here, let's go. Let's go back in the house. Kieran, in the house. In the house. Come on, in the house. Ooh, that wind's cold. We're going to have a quick walk today in the house. Come on. He has a thing for the dog that lives down the alley. Sits there and glares at it through the through the porch railings. It's kind of cute. Okay, you ready to go in? Say hi. Say hi, Grandma. He just hates that dog. I don't know why. Anyway, I just thought I'd give you a glimpse into the wonderful snowy Wyoming morning we have today. I don't know if you can really see the snow on the screen, but it is still snowing, so. Anyway, well, I'm going to catch you later.